Woo! What's up, people? What's up? Today we're going to work on a nice strength conditioning workout. It's going to be a nice quick one. You're going to need to have your dumbbells. I'm using my Cortex Reactive Seated Trainer. If you don't have this one, I'm going to leave a link below. If you want to get it, feel free to get it. I love it. It actually feels really good for this piece of equipment. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel because I'm seeing a lot of you are watching the videos, but you're not subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified every single time I'm going to do a video, whether it's nutrition, fitness, or mindset, okay? So let's get started right away. Grab your dumbbells. Let's get into business. We're going to go to arm curls. Chest is going to be up, palms are in, and let's go. Down and up. I'm not using heavy dumbbells here. However, if you have heavier dumbbells, please get heavier dumbbells. I'm not using heavy ones because I have a long day ahead of me and I don't want to burn myself out using just this one workout. I have 4 more workouts to do today. So I'm using lighter dumbbells, but it doesn't mean I'm going to make it too easy because I'm contracting, which means I'm squeezing those muscles. Make sense? That's it. Come on. Keep your chest up. Stomach is nice and tight. Breathe, baby. Breathe. Nice. Keep on breathing. Big, strong inhale. Big, strong exhale. Exhale when the arms curl upwards. Inhale on the down. Now turn the palms this way. See? Palms are up now. That's called supinated position, okay? Palms up. Squeeze those arms. Pull the shoulders back. Tighten those abs up. Relax your shoulders a bit. Woo. Now what I like about this Cortex is the slightest movements that it makes is forcing my core to stay active the whole time. That's why I'm going to be using this in a lot of my videos. Good. You got this. We're going to go to side raises next, keeping the elbows bent, coming up to the side of the body, okay? 5 more. 4, 3, 2. Palms are going to be in and up. Exhale on the lift. When you exhale doing the exertion of the movement. So I'm exerting right here. Coming down, the body relaxes. Coming up, the body tenses up. So that's where you want to breathe. And don't breathe too hard. Don't hyperventilate. That's it. Now, if you have different levels of weights, feel free to choose the different weights. Like this one is your shoulders, your smaller shoulders, the delts. So you don't need to go as heavy. So you can go lighter. 5 more. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Woo. Leaning forward, we're going to go to your reverse fly and working on the rear delts and the lats, okay? So palms are going to go in. Come to the edge, pull back for 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. Now, as I'm going here, remember I'm going to the back. I'm not going out to the side. I want to feel the shoulder blades squeezing together. And you could even accentuate the lift right here. That's going to show me that you're really getting a good squeeze in those lats. I feel the burn a lot. Because we're not speeding here. We're contracting, which means to squeeze. And we're taking our time, putting the muscles under tension. It's called TUT, time under tension. Give me 5 more. Oh yeah, that's 1, 2, oh that hurts. That burned. 3, whoo, baby. 4, there it is, and 5, good. Sit up to the top. Let's just lift the legs up, marching up and to the top, and to the right and to the left. Now this is getting more challenging now because I have this Cortex underneath me. If you don't have the Cortex, it's not going to be as hard. You're just going to really just be lifting the legs up, which is fine. but this is really forcing my core to work a lot more. Oh, that rhymes. This is forcing my core to work a lot more. What? Because I'm feeling those muscles feeling sore. Whoa! I'm gonna make a hit song, baby. Come on. Pull the shoulders back. What's the point of exercise if you can't have fun? Come on. We gotta have fun, man. We gotta smile, gotta laugh, gotta joke, gotta do what it do. Woo, this feels great. You have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's right. Put those weights down. We're gonna lift both legs off the ground. If you cannot lift them up without rocking, then feel free to rock, okay? Hold on to the chair and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. 8, keep it tight. 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, and 10. Oh God, that feels good. Ooh, my eye itching me. So now we're gonna work on your side to side movement like a ski drill. I'm gonna have the advantage over you because I'm gonna have this that's gonna help me to move differently, okay? But we can still do the same thing, just take your time. So we're gonna lift up, 1, then go, 2, and then up, 3 and up, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7, 8, you can do the same thing without this. 9, come on. 10, don't just sit there and watch. 1, 2, this is only making it harder. 3, that's all. 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm watching you. 8, come on. 9, 10 more. We're here to work. 1, we're not here to play. 2, we're here to work, baby. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, woo, 8, 9, and 10. That's what I'm talking about. Get those dumbbells. Okay, work into the front. Palms are facing inwards, legs are nice and wide. You're gonna lift one, then go down, lift the other, then down, and lift both together. Here we go. Up, up, and up. You're gonna keep your arms extended out in front of you with a slight bend in the elbow. Not fully locked out, but just to where you can be fully locked out without locking out in your joints. Keep the elbows slightly bent. That's gonna protect your elbows, your joints in the long run. There it is. And I'm bringing the dumbbells up about the height of the eyes, okay? Eye level. There it is. That's it. Yes. You're doing fantastic. Let's go. Give me that power. Give me that strength. Give me what you got. Give me 5 more. That's 1. 2. Come on, stay strong here. Feel your power. Feel your strength. 3. 4. Last one. And 5. Good. Now, we're going to do an arm curl like this. Arm's going to go in and out to the side, okay? We're going to finish off with that. We're going to do about, let's go for 20 reps, which is really going to be 40 because we're going to count every 2 as 1. You got it? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, stay with me. 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, oh yeah, 4, 5, 6, keep your stomach tight, 7, 8, there it is, 9, and 10. That's it. It's over. Give me a quick little stretch, legs out. Just reach it forward a bit. Drop that chin to the chest. Feel that stretch in your hips and your lower back. Focus on your breathing. Big, strong breaths in, strong breaths out. And once again, I could add different motions here as I'm doing this stretch, which is the reason why I really love this Cortex. I'm going to encourage all of you to go out there and support this company. I like it. Buy it. I'm going to put that link below. Once you buy it, you're gonna be happy you got it. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Bring it up. Take the arms across the body. Now, when you're doing this type of stretch, right, don't have your arms locked out like this. Have your elbows bent, nice and easy, nice and relaxed. It's going to protect your joints in the long run, and you just get a better stretch. You relax into that stretch. You have 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake it off. Next side. Let's go. Beautiful work. It feels so good, doesn't it? It just feels good. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, and it's over. Nice work. That's what I'm talking about. Remember, every workout that we do, I'm never going to do the same exact things all the time. I have thousands of different movements in my head that I can implement tons of different stuff. We're going to be using more kettlebells, battle ropes. We're going to be using dumbbells, barbells. I'm going to show you how to use all these things, even if you have your injuries in your foot, your knees, your hips, your back, your shoulders. There's always going to be something for you. And don't forget, head on over to chairworkouts.com if you're not a member yet, or donovangreenfitness.com. Any way you type it up is going to lead you to the website. Become a member today. Support what I'm doing, because I keep on telling y'all, without your support, there is no me. All right, so if you see this thing shut down, it's not because I wanted to, because I had to, because it takes time and it takes money, and I need your help. All right, so talk to you soon. Don't forget, your body is just a body until you make it a temple. Stay blessed.